Hello everyone. In this session, we will see what is Composer install and Composer update doing. So, Composer install will install the packages available in require section of composer.jsn file. It will log the values. It will see if there is a log file present. If there is no log file, then it will install the latest version of these modules which are available in require session of composer.json and update the log file. So let's execute the command composer install. So in between, let me just check if there is, we have lately, we have newly installed admin toolbar. I will just delete composer.log file so that it gets clear. So I will then execute composer install. So first it's checking whether there is a log file or not. So there is no log file. So it will be creating the log file and it is updating the log file with the latest version. And now it has created the log file. Let's see that yes, created a log file with the latest version of the modules. If suppose you just want to update a particular module, not the entire module in composer.jsn, then you can just update the composer.jsn that particular module using composer update command like this: composer update and the module name, Drupal/module name. So in this case, it will specifically update the module admin toolbar. And if suppose you don't have any, you don't want to update a single module, but you want to update the entire modules in composer specified in composer.jsn, then you can use the composer update command and it will update all the modules available in the require section of composer.jsn. This is how composer update will work, and it will update the log file as well. So once the log file has been updated, you will have to run composer install so that it installs the logged versions of those modules. Thank you.